arts education is essential and must be preserved. It is a right, not a privilege. The Arthur Miller Foundation works closely with the New York City Department of Education to help teachers build sustainable theater programs in their schools. Eliminating even one theater teacher would be a disproportionate loss compared to other subject areas. Now, more than ever, students need theater in their lives. Humans are storytellers by nature. We use theater to tell stories through language, movement, and emotion. Theater offers perspective. It allows students to see and understand varying points of view. It empowers them in a way no other subject area can. During these trying times, students need the arts in order to heal, allowing them to make sense of the chaos in our world, giving students their own unique voice and a channel through which they can funnel their emotions. To strip away the arts is to strip away our culture and identity as humans. The arts will allow the students of today to become the critical thinking, empathetic problem solvers of tomorrow. Do not take that right away.